Okay, dear students, now we are going to finish this exercise 4.1 in Principle of Mathematical Induction. Last model, all concepts are same only, but one model, last model, divisible. Why? Because in the last class we have seen greater than equal to, that means unequal model, and multiple of some number. Okay, this class we will see divisible. Okay, divisible is nothing but like multiple only. We can convert this into multiple only. Why? Because you see here, say in last class we have seen multiple of 3. Multiple of 3, what we have done? We have done 3D we have written. Why? Because the D we have taken as n. Or if you see it's the equation statement, is there a possibility of becoming minus or plus? Plus is okay n, but minus or 0, then n doesn't belongs to 0 and negative integer. That is why you can take D belongs to Z also. But this is based on statement, you have to decide. Okay. Now you see, this is like multiple 3D. But see, multiple of 3 is also divisible by 3. You see how I am writing. Statement you understand. Multiple of 3 divisible by 3. You see here what we have written, divisible by 11. First you understand, multiple of 3 means 3D is a multiple of 3. Why? Because D, if you take n or z, automatically 3 into something. This is also number, no integer. That may be positive or negative or 0. But this is a multiple of 3. Multiple of 3 divisible by 3 means, see 3D whatever it may be, can you divide by 3? Yes. Why? Because 3 by 3 going to get cancelled, D will come. Okay, result. Here also, even if 0 also, we can divide it by 3. Why? Because see, 0 can be divided by 3. But 3 cannot be divided by 0. That is going to become undefined. Even negative number also. Even if this is a negative number, that also can be divided by 3. Why? Because negative result is going to come. But it can be divided. That means multiple of 3 and divisible by 3, both we can take vice versa, like I was to say. I am not telling both are equal, but we can take. If question multiple of 3 means you take 3D. If in question that's a divisible by 3 means also you can take 3D only. Okay, like that we will do. Let us do this question, then you can understand. Okay, same like this question also they have given 20th number question. We have left only 3 questions, 20, 21, 22. These 3 are divisible questions. Okay, 3 we will do. 10 to the power of 2n minus 1 plus 1. This 1 you can write this side also if you get any confusion. Why? Because this 1 is on base level. 10 is at base level, 1 is at base level. But 2n minus 1 is at power level, exponential power. Okay. This entire expression is divisible by 11. You have to show, prove. Okay, we will prove it. And see what are the conditions, steps. First step, n belongs to n. Okay, n belongs to n. Has he written? Yes, he has written. Shall we write again? We can write or we don't write. Why? Because in question itself he has given means we need not write. Even if you write also, that is not what we can say, bad thing. Okay, now Pn. This I am taking as a principle of, proposition. That is why I am changing this as Pn. Okay, P of n. Now this is the proposition. P of n we have taken. Now what we have to do? First, next step. See, 2 steps are over. N belongs to n over. Pn is over. Now P1. P1 we have to find. Okay, P1. Now here equal to is not there. Like multiple only we have to find. P1 is equal to also you can write. Why? Because see, okay, let it be. Call. We will see. 10 power, see 2 into 1 minus 1. Or else I can write 2 minus 1 directly. 10 power 2 minus 1 plus 1. That is equal to, See, 2 minus 1 is 1. 10 power 1 is 10 plus 1. That is equal to 11. Now you tell me 11 is divisible by 11? Definitely. 11 divided by 11 is 1. Divisible. Now you write E is divisible by 11. Okay. Now you can say P of n is true for n is equal to 1. Write down. P of n is true for n is equal to 1. Why? Because if you substitute n, automatically 11 has come. 11 is divisible by 11. Okay. 11 multiple has to come. Okay. Now next step is what? Next step is P of k. Write down the P of k. Okay, same. Procedure is same. Concept is same. Model is changed. Little bit model we have to change. Okay. P of k colon. Okay. You see now 10 power 2k minus 1 plus 1. Now you see while writing pk only you write something. What you are going to write? 11 means 11d you write. Now you can say this is divisible by 11. Why? Because this is pk. See, something has come that is divisible by 11. We have proved with 1. Like that k also. K we don't know. K from 2 to n. Whatever may be the number. N we don't know. N may be 1000. N may be 1 lakh. Okay. For all it has to satisfy. That is why we have taken k. K is 1. K is not 1 or k is not n. Why? Because n is last number. 1 is first number. In between k is there. 2 power 10 power 2k minus 1 plus 1 is equal to 11d. 11d means what? D belongs to Z or n. Here n you can take. Why? Because there is no negative number. Why? Because always this is greater than 1 and k is at least 2. Why? Because 1 already we have taken. We don't take again 1. 2 means 10 to the power of 4 minus 1, 3, 10 cube. Always it is bigger. Even if you take here n also, that is not wrong. But you have to see the statement. Based on statement, you have to take here z or n. If you found that 0 or a negative number may come, then better you take here z only. Why? Because see final result. Why? Because this depends on final result. D depends on final result. K is not depends on final result. That you have to keep in our mind. Okay. Now see, important step you have to write. Assume pk is true. Why? Because we don't know the value of k. That is why we have to assume that pk is true. Write down assume pk is true. This is important step for this model. Pk you have to take as 11d. 11 divisible by 11 means 11d. Multiple of 11 means 11d. Like that you have to take. That is important step. Or else you are not able to proceed further. Now you see what I am going to make. See, I am converting this. You see how I am converting. 10 to the power of 2k minus 1 is equal to 11d minus 1. Is it okay? See, 10 to the power of 2k minus 1. This one I have sent this side. And now I want to box it. Okay. Ten to the power of 2k by 10 is equal to 11d minus 1. Is it okay? First you see. Because minus 1 means denominator it comes. Denominator. Now 10 to the power bases are same. 10 to the power of 2k minus 1 you can write. Why I have written? See now pk plus 1 10 to the power of 2k is coming. 2k we want to bring. 10 to the power of 2k means how? Now you write again 10 to the power of 2k. 10 to the power of 2k is equal, see equal to is there, you can send directly. 10 into 11, 110d minus 10 into 1, 10. Is it okay? Now you box this one. Why? Because we have seen that 10 to the power of 2k is coming for pk plus 1. Now box this one. 10 to the power of 2k plus 1 is 11d. But see 2k divided by 10 we have written because of minus symbol is there. Minus is there. Okay. Now this is the pk. And this we have taken assumed. Why? Because k we don't know. That is why assumed. Okay. Now you write p of k. P of k plus 1. Write down. P of k plus 1 is equal to. Now you write 10 to the power of 2 k plus 1 minus 1. Okay. 2k plus 2 minus 1. Plus 2 minus 1 is plus 1. Directly you write 2k plus 1. Okay. Base plus 1. Okay. Now you see this to prove divisible by 11. Divisible by 11. Okay. Now you see this we can split 10 to the power of 2k into 10. Split 10 to the power of 2k into 10 plus 1. Is it okay? Definitely okay. Why? Because the bases are same, you can add. Why? Because 10 to the power of y I have split 10 to the power of 2k value we have got. That is why. That we want to substitute. I am removing these two steps. Okay. Okay. 10 to the power of 2k. See, this is pk plus 1. Again, I am writing p of k plus 1. 10 to the power of 2k, I am replacing this 110d minus 10 into 10 plus 1. Okay. Okay, plus 1 we have written. Okay, now you see, you multiply with 10, 1100d minus 100 plus 1. Is it okay? Okay, 10 to the power of 2k only we have replaced. 10 is there. 10 we have to multiply. We have multiplied with the 10. Plus 1 is untouched. Okay, now you see, to prove divisible by 11, what we have to do, you see, minus 100 plus 1 is there. Minus 99 is going to come. You write down minus 99. That is equal to 1100d minus 99. Now you stop and think how to show. Again in 11d like form, 11m we will show. We have shown earlier 11m. Okay, 11m to show 11 to take common. Why? Because this should be shown as divisible by 11. 11 common is come? Yes, definitely will come. 11 is there, 100d minus 9. Definitely. Okay, write down. Now finally you write like this. P of k plus 1 is equal to 11 if you take common, 100d minus 9 will come. You send 11 inside, 11 into 100, 1100, 1100d, 11 into 9, 99, 99 is there. Okay. Now what I am writing here, let 100d minus 9 is equal to m. Earlier also have taken m. Why? Because here d we have taken. These steps are important. Okay. Alright. Then finally what is going to become? P of k plus 1 is equal to 11m, which is divisible by 11. Okay. Finally, hence P of n is true. Okay. Like that you have to write and close this question. Okay. You see, here little bit confusion you may get. P of k plus 1. P of k, what you have to take this? Unless you expand P of k plus 1, you don't know. That is why you write P of k and again in rough you take P of k plus 1. What is coming? This identity you see. Based on that you have to take P of k. P of k here 2k minus 1 will come, but you cannot leave like that only. Why? Because if you leave like that, P of k plus 1, you get confusion again. That is why P of k plus 1 you have to write. P of k plus 1 10 power 2k is coming in, then this you have to split and you have to take 10 power 2 plus. Until you go for P of k plus 1, you don't know P of k, what to be done and what to be taken this identity. Okay. Now let us go for 21st question. 20th question is over, 21st question. See, same like multiple only it is there. You must have seen. Okay, same like multiple. Multiple of 3 are divisible by 3. Both are same like it is coming. Okay. Let us go for next question 21. X power 2n minus y power 2n is divisible by x plus y. This is the question. N belongs to n, capital N, they have given natural number. First step is over. Second step I am doing this as P of n. Okay. Now second step also over. Third step is to be P of 1. Write down P of 1. P of 1. Okay. You see x power 2 minus y power 2 will come. Is it correct? Okay. But you see this also I can write as x plus y into x minus y. Is it okay? A square minus b square, a plus b into a minus b. Now you tell me, is this divisible by x plus y? Definitely divisible by x plus y, because divided by x plus y, if you take x plus y is going to get cancelled and the result is going to come x minus y. You write down divisible by x plus y. Okay, x plus y, if it is divisible by even at 1 also, what you have to write? Pn is true for n is equal to 1. Write down. P of n is true for n is equal to 1. Is it correct? Definitely it is correct. Okay. Now let us go for P of k. P of k we will go. P of k colon. Now here something we have to write. Now x plus y into d. 11 means 11d. 2 means 2d. Same we have to repeat. Okay, write down P of k. You repeat, you copy this P of n, but replace n with k. That's all. X power 2k minus y power 2k is equal to. Now you have to write. See, here x plus y is there. X plus y into d. What? D belongs to z. Definitely you write z here. Why? Don't write n. Why? Because you don't know y is bigger or x is bigger. We don't know the values of x and y. Numerically, sometimes y may be bigger. If y bigger means automatically negative numbers will come. Negative number come means n is not going to be valid. That's what I am telling. By seeing this statement or equation or expression, you have to change this. Or else you take z. Several authors, they have written z only. You can take z also there directly, even for previous questions also. But previous questions we have taken n, that is not wrong. But here you don't take n. Why? Because see, in x and y, you don't know the value of y. Y may be bigger. 2 minus 3 means negative number will come. That is why you take z here. Okay. Now x plus y into d. This step we know very well. Okay. What you have to write? Assume pk is true. Write down. Assume P of k is true. Is it okay? Yes, definitely okay. Now you write P of k plus 1. No, now don't write P of k plus 1. Wait. Why? Because see here you have to change this statement. Now you find x, you send this y that side. That is very important. Okay. You see, x to the power of 2k is equal to x plus y into d plus y to the power of 2k. Is it okay? You see this minus y, this side if it goes plus y, it will become plus y power 2k. Now you box it now. Now go for P of k plus 1. P of k plus 1. We will see in P of k plus 1, this desired is not coming, then we have to change this also again. P of k plus 1 Now you can write equal to x power 2k plus 2 of k plus 1 means 2k plus 2 will come. Do you have any doubt? See, 2 of k plus 1 will come 2k plus 2, 2k plus 2, okay? Okay. Minus y power 2k plus 2. Is it okay? Y also 2k plus 2. So because k plus 1 we have replaced it. Now you see this to prove divisible by, write down. To prove divisible by x plus y. That means x plus y d you have written like this. X plus y into m comes automatically. Your question has been over, like you can think. Okay, now you write down x power, this expand this one, that is equal to x power 2k into x square minus y power 2k into y square. Is it correct? Bases are same, I can add powers 2k plus 2, 2k plus 2. Bases are same, I can add powers 2k plus 2, 2k plus 2. Okay, this is okay. Why I have split this? Because I know 2k, x power 2k value. Okay, now you substitute this value in this. That is equal to x power 2k value is how much? This one. You write down x plus y into d plus y power 2k. Okay, you put bracket. Why? Because inside already parenthesis is available. Okay, into x square outside minus y to the power of 2k into y square. Okay, first you see, then we go. You see, x power 2k value is this one, x plus y into d plus y over 2k. X plus y into d plus y over 2k, per 2k value. Into x square is there outside. Minus y power 2k into y square. Now what we are going to do? We are going to send x square inside. Okay, I am going to remove these two steps. Okay, I am going to send this inside. X square into x plus y d plus x square into y to the power of 2k minus y square into y to the power of 2k. Is it correct? See, now equal to I have written already, that means pk plus 1. Finally we write pk plus 1, p of k plus 1. You see, first you compare this x square into, see here inside plus is there, but up to outside I have multiplied x square into d into x plus y plus x square into y to the power of 2k minus y square y to the power of 2k and y square is like that only. Now you stop and analyze what you can do. Why? Because see, you want to prove that divisible by x plus y. That means x plus y into x minus y form you have to bring. How to bring x square minus y square? See, x square minus y square is there. How to come x square minus y square? Y to the power of 2k is common. Like that you have to think and proceed further. Okay, now you see what I am doing. That is equal to this first step, x square d into x plus y will be like this only. Why? Because d I have written this side. Why? Because multiplication there is no bar. Now y power 2k you take common. Y power 2k if you take common, x square minus y square is going to come. Is it correct? You see, y to the power of 2k, y to the power of 2k common I have taken x square minus y square. Now we can convert this. Okay, now you see, that is equal to x square d into x plus y plus y to the power of 2k into x plus y into x minus y. Is it okay? Why? Because I have converted x square minus y square as x plus y into x minus y. Okay. Now if you observe x plus y common is there. That's what we want. I am going to remove these two steps. Okay. Now you write P of k plus 1. Why? Because this is P of k plus 1 only we are doing. P of k plus 1 is equal to, now I am taking common of x plus y. X plus y, if I take common, x square d, okay, x square d plus y to the power of 2k into x minus y. Is it okay? Well, because x plus y I have taken. Now I am writing this. You see, let x square d plus y to the power of 2k into x minus y is equal to m I am taking. Okay, m. Now this statement, how can you convert? Finally, P of k plus 1 is equal to x plus y into m, which is divisible by x plus y. Okay, now write down. Hence, Pn is true. You understand now how this has come? Well, because here x plus y, if you take common, this thing I have taken as m. Then x plus y into m. We have to show that this is divisible by x plus y. X plus y only. X plus y into something is divisible by x plus y. Now let us do 22nd question. This question will be last for our this chapter. Okay. After this we are going to finish. Okay. 3 power 2n plus 2 minus 8n minus 9 is divisible by 8. See here 8 has come. For pk 8d we have to take. For pk plus 1 8m we have to take. Same. Okay. N belongs to n they have given, that we don't write again. But here what we have to do, this 22 we can, I am changing as Pn. You don't change, you write again. Okay. Pn. P of n. 2 steps are over. Next step is P of 1. Write down P of 1. P of 1. Okay. 3 power 2 into 1. 2 plus 2, 4. 3 power 4. Minus 8 into 1. 8. Minus 9. That is equal to, see, 3 power 4 is 81. Okay. 3 square is 9. 9 square is 81. Minus 17. That is equal to 64 divisible by 8. 64 is divisible by 8. Okay, now what you can write? Pn is true for n is equal to 1. Write down. Pn is true for n is equal to 1. Okay, divisible by 8 or so. You know very well that at pk you have to take 8d. At pk plus 1 you have to take 8m. Okay, if you take such that, if you prove that, then you have proved. Okay, now you go for P of k. P of k. P of k colon 3 power 2k plus 2 minus 8k minus 9. Is it okay? First you see 3 of 2 k n. Okay, n plus k has to come. N plus k has to come. Okay, 3 power 2k plus 2 minus 8k minus 9 has to come. This you have to take 8d. Definitely 8d. Here also you don't know the value. D, can you take n or z? You take z only. D belongs to z. Why? Because we don't know the statement. For bigger values, whether this is going to change or not, I don't know. Okay, let us take z. Z means n also will come. That is not wrong. Okay, but now this you have to assume is true. Why? Because we don't know the k value. That is why. Assume P of k is true. Definitely you write this step. Now this you modify this one. Why? Because in P of k plus 1, 2k may come or 2k plus 2 may come. 2k if comes means again you have to come back again to okay, you have to make. That is why better you split this. 3 power 2k into 3 square is equal to 8d plus 8k plus 9. Is it correct? Because the bases are same, you can add. Okay, bases are same, you can add. That is equal to 8d plus 8k plus 9 has come. Okay, now you box it. You box this now. We will see. If we want, we can modify again. But let us now box this one. We go for p of k plus 1. P of k plus 1. Okay, p of k plus 1 you can write equal to. Why? Because we don't write this 8d now itself. Okay, okay, you see, now in place of k plus 1 has to come. See, 3 power 2 into k plus 1 plus 2. 2k plus 2 plus 2. 2k plus 4. Write down 2k plus 4 directly. 2k plus 4. Okay, 2k plus 4. Minus 8 into, you see, k plus 1. 8k minus 8k minus 8. You write down minus 8k minus 8. Okay. Minus 9. You stop. You see whether we have written correctly or not. K plus 1. 2k plus 2 plus 2. 4. Okay. Okay. 8 minus 8k minus 8k minus 8. K plus 1. Okay. This is also correct. 9 minus 9. Okay. Now you see what you have to write. Write down here. To prove divisible by 8. Okay, that you have to write definitely. Okay. Now you split this one. Why? Because 3 power 2k into 3 square into 3 square. Like that also you can write. Right? How I am writing, you see. Why? Because you have only 3 power 2k into 3 square value. 3 power 2k into 3 power square into 3 power square minus 8k minus 17. Minus 8 minus 9 minus 17. You see now here bases are same, you can add 2k plus 2, 2k plus 4. Again base is same, 2k plus 2 plus 2, 2k plus 4. 2k plus 4 only is going to come. Why? Because see, these two equivalent value we have got. We can replace this. Okay, we are going to replace in top, or else you can replace here also. That is equal to, you see, up to here I am writing this one, 8d plus 8k plus 9. Okay, into, see, 3 square is there outside. Why? Because see, for these two values only this one, 3 power 2k into 2, 3 power 2k plus 2. Okay, this value. Again 3 square is there. 3 square means 9 minus 8k minus 17. Is this okay? Definitely okay. You go top. I'm going to remove up to this one. Let us see. If it is not enough, then we are going down again. Okay. That is equal. See here we have changed the place. That is why better you write pk plus 1 again. P of k plus 1 is equal to. Now you send 9 inside. 72d plus 72k. 9 8s are 72. 9 9s are 81. Plus 81 minus 8k minus 17. Okay. Now you add k and constants. Okay. That is equal to 72d. 72 plus 72 minus 8. 64 plus 64k. 81 minus 17 plus 64. Is it correct? Definitely correct. Now you stop and analyze. What you are going to achieve? You are going to achieve it is divisible by 8. That means you have to show 8m. Why? Because 8d already has taken. 8m you have to show. That means you have to take 8 common. That you have to do. Okay. Let us do. Take 8 common. 8 if you take common, 90 plus. See, anyway you have to multiply. Why? Because earlier 8D was there, now 90 has come. That is why multiply you have to do. 90 plus 8, 8 are 64. 8k plus 8. Then you write let 90 plus 8k plus 8 is equal to 8m. Why? Because 8d already you have taken, 8m you have to take here. If you take that, finally what you are going to write? You are going to write like this. P of k plus 1 is equal to 8m. Oh, here you don't write 8m, you have to write m. This you have to take m. Then 8 into m, 8m, which is divisible by 8. Okay. Finally you write, hence Pn is true. P of n is true. You understand that this is how it has come. See, any expression or statement divisible by 11. Suppose 11 means 11 into m. If you take 11d, if you take, automatically it is divisible by 11. Okay. Any statement is multiplied by 11 also, you can take 11 into d. Why? Because multiplication for division, both you can take 11d or 11m for 11. 8 means 8m or 8d. Like that you have to take. Now we have finished this exercise 4.1, principle of mathematical induction. In the next class, we will start complex numbers, which is very important chapter for us. Okay. Let us meet in complex number chapter. Thank you very much.